guys, today we're making delicious aloo paratha on Be Inspired with Mother and Daughter channel. So let's get started with the ingredients. 2 cups of all-purpose flour, half a teaspoon of ajwain seeds, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of oil, lukewarm water required. So we're adding all those ingredients to make the dough. Once you've got it combined into a dough, you're just going to knead it for 5 minutes. Now rest your dough for 10 minutes. For the filling, 4 boiled potatoes, 2 teaspoons of chaat masala. If you're interested in making homemade chaat masala, check the link below. Chopped green chilies to taste, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, salt to taste. So we're going to mash our potatoes. Now to our mashed potatoes, we're adding all those ingredients. So we're going to roll out our dough. We're just going to split it into 4 pieces. Sprinkle some flour on our board so it doesn't stick. Because we're going to make 4 parathas. You could do as many as you want. Now we're going to roll out one of our doughs to make the parathas. So roll it out. So after you've rolled it a decent size, you're just going to put your filling in the middle and seal it closed. Flatten it out with your fingers. And now you're going to roll it out to a paratha size. Make sure you roll out to your paratha slowly so the filling doesn't come out. Now in a pan, we're going to add butter or ghee or oil. We're adding oil. You can add anything you want. Spread the oil around with the back of the spoon. Now place your paratha. Then let one side cook. Now we're going to add some oil on top of the paratha. And then turn it around. And let the other side cook. So here we have our delicious, easy and simple aloo paratha. It is very delicious with yogurt. So be inspired, try new things and conquer amazing skills, and like and subscribe and comment down below and check out our other videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.